Hi, I received this curtain rod as a gift. It has those beautiful birds on either end as the finials, and I want to tell you all about it. Here's my husband. He's drilling the holes, screwing the screws, so that we can put this up. The curtain rod comes with everything that you need. All of the screws, all of the brackets, the rod, of course, everything that you need. Here I'm showing you that it is expandable to different lengths or widths, I guess it would be. And you do screw the two pieces together. And then once you've screwed the two pieces together, you're going to put the bird finials on the ends. Okay, so each end has a hole now that I've screwed it together, and we're going to put the finials on. So look at how gorgeous that is. Look at the detail on that. So pretty. If you love birds like I do, this is gorgeous. And it will just screw on to the end like so. And after we get the other one on, there we go. Got to kind of pull that out. And then we're going to put the other one on. The other end also has the solid with a hole. This is the same. And we're just going to screw that on like that. And so actually I'm going to unscrew this. I'm going to put my curtain on. I'm going to hang it so you can see what it looks like. Once again, here we have hung up with the curtains on there. It's got the 3 rods and it's just